Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these braid out results using only one product. So the product I'm going to be using is the Jessie's multicultural curls. And since I'm doing this braid out on old hair, I'm also going to be using a little water in a spray bottle to re-moisturize my hair. And the Jessie's multicultural curls contains safflower oil and olive fruit oil, and says it's great for soft definition, frizz-free control, wash and goes, and light and non-sticky application. I definitely agree with all those things because this is my third time using this product on my hair, and I'm really liking the moisture and definition and hold it gives my hair. And I've also noticed that this product makes it really easy for me to finger detangle my hair. The only downside I've noticed to this product is that I have to add a lot of the product to my hair in order for it to be evenly spread throughout my hair. But then again, my hair is really high density, so I have this problem with almost all the products I use. And probably the only natural hair product that I feel a little goes a long way is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. So for wash and goes and when I do twist outs and braid outs on wet hair, I usually use that product. Another thing I love about the Jessie's Multicultural Curls product is that it doesn't make my hair really wet when I apply it, and this allows the braids to dry really fast and be fully defined when I take them down. And sometimes if I try this exact braid out method with a product that makes my hair really wet, it takes my braids days to dry, and if I take them down too soon, my hair will just end up being really puffy and have no definition at all. Now I'm all done with the braids and I'm putting on my satin scarf, and I'll take down the braids the next morning. So now it's time to take down the braids, and I usually would put oil on my hands to prevent my hands from making my hair frizzy as I take my braids down, but I was way too lazy to get up and get my hair oil, so I just used my hands. And also when taking the braids down, I'm being extremely careful not to snap my ends off by being too rough when unraveling the ends of the braids, because right now my natural hair goal is to reach waist length and I can't be snapping my ends off. And these are the final results of my braid out using the Miss Jessie's multicultural curls. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.